Hey, hi friends, welcome to Madhuja. One question that keeps bothering me and so many parents out over there, how to keep my child busy. Lot of us are doing lot of things like Garbha Sanskar, working on your child's brain development when you're still expecting. But what about when your child is out in this absolutely new world? Here I am, Shreya Shah, who is a childbirth educator, and I have a Chaitali, who is a Madhuja team member, and she works with kids once they're out in this world. Chaitali, isn't it too early that just 3 months to 30 months of age group and we are launching a new program called as Play Dates with parents? What are we going to do in this age group?
Why do you think that it is too early?
Arey yaar, what child knows? Susu, potty, breastfeeding, that's it.
But with the susu potty and all these things, they are learning too, na? Since day one.
I think they're learning too fast.
Yes. Actually, the brain development is in a very peak level during this early age.
So early age, ideally we are supposed to start with doing lot of things with child, right?
Right.
Okay, does it actually very costly process, because each toy that I'm going to get, it's going to be like used for 5-6 days or 5-6 weeks, and then it's there somewhere out there. But Chitali, do you know what I have observed? When my kids were young, I will buy a lot of toys to them, but if I give them an option, sit and play with those costly toys, on have an interactive play with vessels in the kitchen, with ball, with
Yeah.
dough,
Right.
with sand and mud. They used to love it more. Why it's so?
Because they are always choose the day-to-day life things over the expensive toys.
Oh, child is a very smart chooser, okay? So that's what they choose. They are going to choose a interactive, involved, creative play over a firm toys.
Right.
Right? Okay, then what are we going to do in play dates? So basically, we are launching a program
Parents.
called as Play Dates with Parents. And do you know it's an online program? And we are going to share with you 150 plus day to day activities that you can do with your child. It will have activity also, playtime also, and on top of that, it's going to create an amazing development in your child. Chaitali, how a child learns, responds, and react to this world?
Actually, they learn through the 4 ways.
Okay.
The first one is there are some inborn abilities, which
Hmm.
there is no need to teach in the specific areas.
The way you
There
said,
are
the
innate
latching, the
abilities,
breastfeeding,
Yeah.
they learn it already.
Yes.
Okay.
The second thing is that they learn through the imitation process. Like they see us and follow the actions. Yeah, they exactly copy what we do.
Right.
And the third one is that they learn through the
Perception.
their own perceptions. There are their own perceptions.
Oh, so the way they say every child is born absolutely unique.
Unique.
So they have their own style of responding. Okay. And the fourth one?
And the fourth one and the important one is that through nurturing.
Okay, so
They
nurturing.
always seek for the exposures.
Wow, so nurturing is the aspect where we are going to play the role.
Right.
So, all of your parents out there, those who want to nurture your child and not only grow your child. So, if I have nurtured this tree, it will look beautiful and I will have a very emotional connect with the tree. If I only grow the tree, the emotional connect and the entire build will be very different.
Yes.
So, let's nurture the child. All those parents who are watching this particular video, if your child is between 3 months to 30 months and you want to play a nurturing role in your life, join us for our new batch of play dates with parents. And all of you should know, we are going to gift you with an amazing 20 plus homemade toys kit, which is complimentary with your this particular course. Are these toys age specific?
Exactly.
And are
All
they going
toys are age appropriate.
and are they going to work on specific aspects?
Yeah.
Wow, she won't disclose it in the video. A very smart teacher. But you all should know that every toy that is there in that particular kit is going to work on kids' holistic development.
Right.
So-
Because we want to see the developed child, not a grown child.
Yes, because we all want to see a developed child and not a grown child. Let's play our role as a parents. Thank you so much, all of you. Come and join and make a boom in your child's life. Thank you so much. See you all soon and bye.
Bye.